If you're interested in getting your carpet cleaned, consider a Houston Carpet Cleaning Services. Prolong the life of your carpets with a Houston Carpet Cleaning Service. 30-day clean guarantee. If we missed a spot, we'll come back to clean it. Free stain removal included. All of our carpet cleaning services will remove stains. Advanced cleaning methods. We understand how to penetrate carpet fibers. Our system works through emulsification, heat, agitation, and absorption and is tailor-made to each home and needs. With our process, your carpets will dry within 3 hours, allowing you to get back to your home life. No need to worry about walking around on wet carpets for 24 hours or more. Try us, and you'll see our reputation is spotless. What are you waiting for? Call 281-492-3499. Visit our website, Houston Carpet Cleaning.